Check this, guys.
This is
This is John Dragon Man.
Hey.
Bless him.
Yeah. Not done a video for a while, but you know, working on it, trying to get my editing software working again.
It'll be there in the future, guys. Don't worry.
So this is the intake manifold of a car I've just bought. It's a what is it again? It's a BMW 3 Series E46 2-litre diesel, and this is the it's been in here for 2 days now, so it's considerably less EGR'd up as it was. That was pretty much a flat surface with a tiny hole in there for airflow to go through.
Look at the state of it though. It wasn't looked after, was it, John?
Well, it just builds up over time. If this was disabled, this is a 200,000 mile manifold, this is.
Holy shit.
So it's pretty bad. Swirl flaps, believe it or not, were still in situ on this. Which, they're actually in here somewhere. I'm not digging around because I don't want to get my hands,
get your hands dirty. What's that there, John?
That's the actual EGR valve. This has also been submerged for all that time.
Bloody hell, look at the state of it.
Still, oops, I'm losing my clip.
Where was that flap you was telling me about, that it was quite close to snapping? Is that still on the car?
That's the swirl flaps.
Yeah.
That's them. They sit in this recess here, and they're basically like a butterfly valve, and they close and open, and they basically turn the engine into an 8 valve rather than a 16 valve, because they completely block all airflow off to the one set of valves, intake valves, and they are prone to snapping off and going into the engine, killing the engine. And I am very lucky, in fact, on this one, that the actual pipe that controls the flaps had perished, so the actual flaps themselves weren't turning anymore. They was actually seized in, which is great. It's good. Seized in is really good.
So if you've got a 200,000 mile car, guys, a diesel 2 litre, then this might be on this condition. So
if it's got an EGR, that's probably what it's going to look like. And
John mentioned something about this EGR flap, butterfly flap, was quite prone to snapping at that time of the year of the car, isn't it, John?
Yes, the later ones are not so bad. The actual later ones that say on the later engines, the N47s and the N57 engines, they actually look like a ball rather than a flap.
Yeah.
And they don't snap off so bad. They don't do it. I mean, people still remove them. In fact, on my channel, we've actually got a video where we do take one apart and actually take the manifold to bits.
Check it out, guys. I'll leave a description of his channel in the description for you guys. So click on that, and if you're not subscribed to him, give him a sub, guys.
And this manifold, this manifold is at the moment submerged in 20 litres of reclaimed fuel.
And it smells lovely. I'm actually quite high. What's that bit? Oh, that's the bottom of that, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm just doing this to try and loosen it all up before I actually start scrubbing it. So I'm going to get a pipe brush and a bottle brush and things like that in there. Yeah. And try and clean it all out, really, best as I can.
So I thought I'd share this with you guys of what John, what's happened to this, from how many miles it's done, for future reference for anybody out there who's got a similar engine or done similar miles and similar age car. So take it easy, guys. And John, thanks for telling us about that, matey.
No problem at all, guys.
He's a star. Check him out, guys.
I'm going to try and get all this off my fingers now.
Yep. So I'll see you guys in another video at some point. Hope you like the different video. I just thought I'd change things up a little bit for you. See you later.
Thanks, guys. Peace out.